Los vecinos mirando y el balcón abrió.
Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Scott McTominay. Can they trouble the opposition this time? And teammates to play it to. Oh, foul play, says the referee. Dykes. Real chance. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
Well, they know they need to stop him. Scott McTominay. McGinn. Real chance. Nicely saved. Christie. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Really getting stuck in. Christie. And Hungary with the ball again. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. This could square the game. And brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
And a throw in for Hungary. Well, making considerable progress with the ball. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. Dykes. He's in behind. It's opened up for him. Well, he went for power and might be regretting that now. Attila Salai. Sobosloy. An effective challenge. A danger here as he runs at them. This could be it! And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily. So 2-0 now. And so into the final 5 minutes. Oh, big chance. It could be up for grabs. And there it is. An almost intuitive piece of finishing.
Well, here we can see it again. Normally I'm the first to point the finger at a goalkeeper, but I think it's a good initial save. I'm not sure he could have done much more. Just a bit unfortunate, really, that it dropped to an opponent.
So 3 minutes of stoppage time it'll be. Just the challenge that was required. Christie. And that will be all for this game anyway. And defeat for the visitors, much to the disappointment of their support. So back underway here into the second half. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Can he put them in front? And a goal! Now they have their opener, and now they can celebrate.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
Griezmann, and in with a real chance. And another one! 2 quick goals! Will it turn out to be the two-punch knockout?
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
So back underway with the scoreline standing at 2-0. Zielinski. Theo Hernandez now. Here's Mbappe. Options in the middle. It might be. And it's come off the keeper. And snuffing out the danger. And the attack fades out. Aurélien Tchouameni. Kylian Mbappe. Oh, big opportunity. He can't hold on to it. Well, a poor effort when all was said and done. And wonderful stuff as they accelerate away from the opposition.
Well, here's the replay, and I have to say, the keeper's got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor piece of goalkeeping.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Into the final 20 minutes. He's in with a chance. Surely. Well, he certainly wasn't offside by a mile. Olivier Giroud. Might it be Olivier Giroud? The crossbar got in the way. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, just look at this. He's so bright in the box. He's first to the ball and then a decent finish. It's a good bit of play.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. He's in here. It's got to be a goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
And Poland unable to retain possession. Dembele, chance for Dembele. And a goal! He's put it away, a celebratory moment.
Well, as you can see, he makes it look easy in the end, but I think that's a good finish. He'll be pleased with that.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Koundé. And that will be all for this game anyway, and defeat for the visitors. So back underway here into the second half. Solomon Kverkvelia. Couldn't quite find his teammate. And the keeper had the measure of that one. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Rafael Leao. And that was simply miles off target.
Well, I think he's right to go for power, but he's made the wrong connection, and it's really poor technique in the end.
Well, he's won the ball. Can they jump in front? A goal to give them a 1-0 lead. An excellent value for that advantage, you've got to say.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
1-0 then. Kitashvili. Well, we're into the final half hour. Pepe. This is looking threatening. Is it going to be? Well, last gasp defending, but brilliant defending. Bernardo Silva. Can he make it count? Well, it's all going so swimmingly for them here. Another goal. And now it's a matter of avoiding any silly mistakes.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. 20 minutes to go. He's managed to lose his marker. And cleared away. Opportunity. Oh, tremendous goal! Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
So the action continues, and Portugal very much bossing the proceedings here. Well, the referee not too happy with the challenge and blows for a free kick. Otavio. Well, a really good run, and pretty routine for the goalkeeper. Well, the final whistle approaching, and this has certainly been an away day to remember. Stuart, your assessment?
Well, what an excellent performance this has been. They've had complete control for most of the game. Their movement, clever passing and energy have been a joy to watch. It's been a really good win for them.
Ronaldo. A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Well, it might still work out for them. Well, they can bring it out now. Otar Kitashvili. And there goes the final whistle. It's gone.
Well, just take another look at this. He reads the flight perfectly, catches it so sweetly, and then bang. Not sure.